Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can tailor experiences to meet individual needs? Well, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that involves creating machines capable of mimicking human intelligence. On the other hand, personalization is the act of tailoring an experience or product to an individual's specific needs and preferences. Now, when these two intersect, we get a powerful tool that's transforming everything from online shopping to healthcare. Imagine a world where your devices understand your preferences and habits. They can recommend a book you'll love, or even predict a health risk before you're aware of it. This is the world AI and personalization are creating. Industries across the board are harnessing this synergy to deliver more personalized and efficient services. AI and personalization are not just buzzwords. They're shaping the future of design and user experience. This is the dawn of a new era where technology is not just smart, but also intuitive and empathetic. To understand the power of AI and personalization, consider the case of Spotify's Discover Weekly feature. Imagine this. You're an avid music lover, and every week, Spotify presents you with a fresh playlist, curated just for you based on your listening habits. This is not magic. It's the power of artificial intelligence and personalization at work. Spotify uses AI to sift through billions of playlists, analyzing users' listening patterns, favorite genres, and even the songs they skip. It then uses this data to build a unique music profile for each user. This profile, in turn, is used to curate a personalized playlist, known as the Discover Weekly. The success of Discover Weekly is undeniable. Many listeners have found their new favorite songs or artists through this feature. It's like having a personal DJ who knows your music taste inside out and is always ready to surprise you with something new and exciting. But it's not just about discovering new music, it's about enhancing user engagement, making the Spotify experience more personal, more interactive, and